What Nike Off-White Dunk lot number did you get? Let me know down below in the comments. Today in this video, we're going to be unboxing a new pair of Nike Off-White Dunks and taking a look at the pair that I currently own. And I have to ask you guys a question about the pair that I currently own. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Stick around, let's unbox the Nike Off-White Dunk, the 50 collection. In my last Nike Off-White Dunk video, we unboxed the Off-White Dunk lot number 2. Lot number 2, which was really nice. I like this colorway. Just personally, number 2 doesn't mean anything to me. So I'm going to ask you right now to leave a comment and let me know your thoughts. Should I sell lot number 2? This is my personal size. I do want a pair to wear and keep. Should I sell lot 2 and then go buy a lot that actually means something to me, a number that means something to me? It would be either 8, 11, 10, or number 23. I did look at number 23. I don't like 23. The blue tongue kind of kills the shoe for me. So it would be most likely either 8, 11, or 10. I'm thinking, honestly, 11 because it is suede. Let me know your thoughts down below because those numbers, like I said, mean more to me. And I want to rock this shoe and have a lot number that actually means something to me. Lot number 2 don't mean anything to me. So let me know your thoughts. Lightning 4 giveaway. I want to do a Lightning 4 giveaway. I need you guys to get this video up to 500 likes by the time I release my next video. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, let me know your size and Lightning 4s, and at the end of your comment, put your email, your Instagram, just a way for me to get in contact with you. If this video gets that 500 like goal, I'm going to be giving away a pair of Lightning 4s. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Hey guys, I just wanted to remind you about Sneaker Flea's mystery box. You're gonna get 2 t-shirts for $99.99. These t-shirts are gonna be Supreme, Bape, Yams Day, Revenge, Off-White, tons of brands, the Hype Beast brands we all know and love. 2 t-shirts, guaranteed value, and possibly make some money on the t-shirts. And in select mystery boxes, we're gonna have winners with golden tickets, and you win the prize of the golden ticket. So this one would be the Travis Scott Fragment Air Jordan 1 High, being the main prize. Sneaker Flea's also gonna have a bunch of other winners for, of course, yellow Grateful Dead Nike SBs, a bunch of general release Jordans and other sneakers, as well as cash prizes. A bunch of winners, $99.99. Be sure to guys go click the link down below. They are up for sale, active right now. Be sure you guys go cop. Be sure you guys go cop a mystery box. The link is down below. They're up right now and they're gonna sell out very fast. Go cop your Sneaker Flea mystery box. They are live right now as we speak, and we're gonna have a bunch of winners. Somebody's gonna win Travis Scott Fragment Jordan 1 Highs that are $4,000 right now for just $100, and you're getting t-shirts. Everybody's getting some really fire tees. Make sure you guys go cop your mystery box. Link is down below. Let's open up this new Off-White Dunk lot number. Not sure what lot number it is. I didn't hit for this pair. This pair was actually hit by my fiance's brother Dom. Shout out to Dom. He was able to get exclusive access on the sneakers app. He was able to cop on the last day. Crazy, the last and final day. This could be lot 50 because on the last day, lot 50 was given out. Let's open these up. Let's see what we got. This is a pair size 9. So it is not my size. This pair might be up for sale. Open these up. Let's see what we got. Hopefully it's not ugly. Please don't be 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 ugly. B1, I'm sorry, B50, that would be amazing. If it's 50, I'm gonna flip out right now. It is not 50. It is lot number 9. Lot number 9 was also given out apparently here on the last day of exclusive access. Pink laces on this one with the cream and orange. This one's a little weird and crazy with the little green, and then you got the blue on the back with the pull tab. All leather upper on this one as well. Out there a little bit. I like them though, they're not bad. Not my favorite colorway. The pink laces, to me, for an everyday wear, not a must, not a go-to. This is something I maybe once in a while. If you're a lady, ladies, I would totally understand you rocking this colorway. This is very dope for the ladies out there with the pink, but not something I personally would wear every day. So I would not pick lot number 9 for myself. Let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments. Let me know what lot number you got down below in the comments. If you guys are still waiting for your pair from Nike, let me know down below. I know there's a lot of stories out there. I do want to say that FedEx is not stealing all these shoes. Nike is backed up like crazy. Nike is really backed up. So backed up that it took 2 weeks for me to get Pollen Jordan 1s. Don't worry, your package is on the way. Let me know what you guys think about the Nike Off-White Dunk Lot Collection, the 50. What number do you have? Are you paying resale on any pair? Let me know down below. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys go cop a Sneaker Philly mystery box. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you guys think about the Nike Off-White Dunk Collection down below. Let me know what lot number you got, and let me know if I should go sell lot 2 and, well, lot 9 and go cop a personal lot number that means something to me. Let me know what you guys think. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.